This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Bynta nakajing pentip uba Vivek's IPS Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills District hakakat niyo terik ujeliyo araja rapusan syakilat pathai kubor halor kajingja syak penyap uraja raguvanshi ulaong bak Sonam kalapet marja Lynñiar bat Phlei Snam uraja nakli hakajing mat jubor beningkong da Vishal Singh Chauhan. Kini kajing pentip uba Vivek kadai hadin kajing wan yalam ya ka Sonam kumju ya Vishal lemu Akash Rajput bat anan kurmi hajan parking lot riat arliang hajan kakshai wai saudong bakin kedau bat batai ya jaka kibakila shim ya kajing uraja hakanok phai sngi arpulai tere ujemang araja arpusan. Uba Vivek ulaong bagila pla bagi penankam da arteli ki white hagajing mat beningkong kadai da Vishal kabaar da Akash bat kabalai da anan. Laong baka Sonam ka yang hakamat hakapor ba uraja usyamat kat bakilai ngot pat ki yang nadien jong u. Laong ba onda ulayap kilai ngot kilara ya ka Metïap jong uraja bat Bret syariat bat kedo baka Sonam kam dan Bynta banyara Bret ya ka Metïap. Hakajing tokit kelapau baka Sonam ka aidak ha parking lot bat tha ya kilai ngot ban Metïap bat kelayat hu ya kajing dan Bynta jongka.
Sonam was there when this happened and all that, and Sonam had already given a signal to them just before the parking lot that they should finish the job, and Sonam was close by. In fact, she was in front when this happened. Sonam was in front, Raja was behind, Vishal was to the right, Akash was just to the behind but to his left, and Anand was to his right or to his left. When this happened, when the first shot, when the first hit was given by Vishal, and the blood came out and he had fallen, which we have reconstructed that, she ran off from that place because he was screaming. So she just moved away from that spot. And the body was thrown by the three of them. Two of them held from the hands and one person held from the legs, and he was thrown down. They have mentioned out there that he had because it's terrace, that the precipice out there is terraced. The body had fallen into one kind of a platform, and from there on went right down.
Habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam mangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.